Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be reacting to some more Stray Kids. I've been wanting so much more Stray Kids for me, so here it is today. Today we're gonna be checking out 3 songs. Alright, there's a new, I haven't done 3 songs on the channel. Yeah, it's just y'all recommended me so many Stray Kids songs that I might as well just do 3 at the same time. We're gonna be reacting to Maniac, to Thunderous, and to Megaverse. Alright, Megaverse was a big recommended one for rap. Thunderous and Maniac has also been recommended a lot, so we're just gonna check those out today. If you like the content around here, make sure you like and subscribe. Then comment down below if you're going to react to anything else. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started, man. Excited for some more Stray Kids. Alright, here we go. Stray Kids Megaverse. 3, 2, 1, let's go. With this, bro.
Run along with the gods, jumping between every verse, the multiverse, and ready for our universe.
No, we're not. Not about to start the song with this man Felix, as y'all told me in the comments. I saw that. I saw the Felix effect. I got hit with the Felix effect last video. And bro, this man's I just can't get over this man's voice, man. Turns out he's Australian too, and some other members Australian. I don't know which one's Australian. There's 2 Australians in here. Some of them speak English fluently, including the Australians, of course. And they're like self-composing band. They produce their own music. That's what I meant. And a bunch of facts that I didn't even know. And thanks to y'all for letting me know in the comments about all this. But come on, man, we're gonna restart this, bro. I'm not about to just get hit with that. That's the first thing I hear as soon as no. I'm ready for it now. I'm ready for it. I like this. I like this little like military drum type.
Jumping between every verse, the multiverse, and ready for our universe.
Oh, I hear that Australian accent.
Second, third, fourth wall, we're breaking them all. Unbeatable score. Our composition brings a competition, but we've already won in this verse.
What the fuck? Oh my god. But that's all I heard. I just heard the like, bro. This man. Alright, go. Let's run it back. Fuck, hell no. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys. Bro, this is crazy, bro. Come on, bro. We're a minute into the music video. I can't. Come on, bro. We'll go back.
Already wanted this verse. Welcome to the Stray Kids Hot Megaverse. Stray Kids! Welcome to the Stray Kids Hot Megaverse. 잡았다 큰 거 하나 온다 떠봐 떨어라 Atlas 딱 치는 대로 치워 삼켜 소화해 모든 서버 Megaverse 결말을 뻔하게 만들어 결국 끝이 보지 Megatron 영향력은 증폭돼 속삭였다 메가폰 같이 모여 퍼뜨려 Holy Ghost 몰아치게 나도 out of the way 헛소리는 입에 젖은 철컥 We make the rules nobody can make it 아니 너무 뺏겨 들어보고 새겨 비켜 빙 둘러봤자 방금 패권 챕터 잠겨 my world power 올라가 하이팅 over
Oh, I'm going back again. And then the rap is this whole beat drop and then
소화해 모든 서버 Megaverse 결말을 뻔하게 만들어 결국 끝이 보지 메가톤 영향력은 증폭돼 속삭였다 메가폰
and it just up a little bit. I like this part too. And then this is so wrong. I'm not even going into the music video, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know what's happening. The security guard is just
This a Megaverse big bang. The party break, 'cause we make it rain. Yeah, yeah. This a Megaverse big bang. Everything nice. Welcome to the Stray Kids Hot Megaverse.
it just ends like that. Damn, it just ends like that. Wow. I'm sad now. It just ended. I wanted more. I wanted more from that. Like, come on, man. Stray Kids Megaverse. Fucking, I can tell what this was recommended. They snapped on this, bro. I'm not gonna. The beat drop was nice, but when they said like Stray Kids Hot Megaverse, the flow on that kind of threw it off a little bit. But everything else was crazy. Alright. I see no dancing, no choreography on it. I don't know if there just wasn't any. I don't know if every K-pop song has choreography or not, but the rapping went crazy. The music video I know went crazy. I wasn't really paying attention to it, to be honest. I was just focusing on the sounds, on the beat, on the vocals, everything. I was focused on the actual music part instead of the actual music video. So my apologies if I missed anything. Same with the captions. I always have them on. You're telling me to turn them on. I always have them on. I just don't really watch. I just listen. But the rapping went crazy. The vocals went crazy. The flow on the rapping went crazy. Fuck it. The visuals went crazy. Everything was crazy. Alright. Yeah, it was Stray Kids Megaverse. Amazing song. 10 out of 10. I fuck with it. Or 9.5 out of 10. Like I said, the low flow on the before the beat drop type of thing. Stray Kids Hot Megaverse. The flow on that kind of threw it off a little bit, but didn't ruin the song. That shit was still fire. So on to the next one, we got Maniac. We're gonna watch Maniac next. Alright, here we go. Hold on, wait, let me fix my camera. Alright, Stray Kids Maniac music video. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh shit, you saw that? Like the whole world's like upside down type shit. It's like a city there.
Let's go.
Yo, bro, you got a crop top on? Low vocal.
Mashup, mind blow, 정신은 backup 프로토타입 내 속은 언제나 삐끗 monster 유행 같은 친절함은 저리 지나 rotten 내 통수에 다 시원하게 욕해도 다 먹겨 Hoppin 순진하게만 보다 더 크게 다치 오히려 계속되면 권리소 나를 toxic 이러니 좋지 warning
Maniac 나서 빠진 것처럼 미쳐 Maniac
핑핑 돌아버리겠지
Maniac Frankenstein처럼 걸어 Maniac
This man, he needs to get nerfed. He needs a vocal transplant so that his voice can't be that deep naturally no more, man. He needs something, bro. Like Maniac. Like, bro, how do you even hit that? Maniac. Something about Frankenstein or something. I don't know, man. That shit was crazy, bro. The rapping was crazy. The dancing was crazy. Broski was wearing a crop top. I don't know why, but come on, let's continue. Is that him? Oh shit. 아주 까는
내가 걷는 이 거리는 다 치열받아 언제 터질지 모르는 둠만 volcano 전했던 바람도 언제 바꿀지 몰라 다들 숨긴 채 살아가 like a seal tornado pop in 순진하게만 보다가 그게 닥침
But the hips don't lie, man. This man's voice is deep too. Unless that's Felix.
Maniac 나서 빠진 것처럼 미쳐 Maniac.
No, I know damn well that's not Felix with red hair, man. Bro, why? So there's two deep voice Felix effect guys, or some man, I don't know, man. This song's good though. I fuck with this.
Maniac Frankenstein처럼 걸어 Maniac.
Oh no, I hear it's like Felix says Maniac, and then this guy in red hair says like the actual line, but like the actual Maniac part is Felix. I got it. This part's crazy. The dancing goes crazy. Oh, why are you looking at me, man? Oh, you got this color eyes. Maniac, cool. Maniac, yeah. That vocal though. I was about to say, why so aggressive with it? He said, Nah, this song's fire. Is that it? Yeah, this song's tough. I fuck with this. It's definitely different to Megaverse, but still fire as fuck. I really enjoyed this. Maniac, honestly, Felix stole the whole show. I want to know, is his name actually Felix? Cause like I know he's Australian, but I would have thought like his. Oh no, wait, no, it would have made sense if his parents are like Korean and then he was born in Australia. I don't know, but like, yeah, I say Felix effect. Is the Felix effect like what it's called, or is it the Felix is his name and it's the effect that he has, or is the Felix effect like a throughout K-pop thing where anyone with deep voices is just a Felix effect? But that wouldn't make sense unless, man, I don't know. Y'all let me know. But yeah, if his name is Felix, if it's not, correct me. But Felix, he stole the show on this one, Maniac. Vocals went crazy, the dancing went crazy. Yeah, this is a good song. I'll say like a good 8 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? Can't really go up there, but can't really, definitely not low. That shit was higher than lower. But yeah, next up we got Thunderous. So let's go check that out. Alright, now to end it all off, we're gonna check out this last one. It's called Thunderous. Music video by Stray Kids. I believe this is their most popular one. I believe. Maybe it's a different one, I don't know. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Oh, I can't even see the fucking. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, we're starting off strong. Hold on, man. Y'all saw the animation, bro? His eye, like he was cartoon and he just looked and he turned into like a human type shit. We're gonna restart. Hold on. I don't think I'm ready. I already got good feelings about this song, man. The cartoon looks cartoon. Hey.
잔소리꾼이 최후파 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 집들 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리
Ooh, that is tough.
악당무리의 뜨거운 피가 돌아온 몸에 번져
Ooh.
소문 날 분들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛이 freezing cold I know you'll
Hold on. Before it drops, I know it's about to drop. The fucking music video though, that shit's crazy. Oh man. Alright, let's hear this drop. What the fuck? Sorry, boom.
I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Keep on talking, we don't play.
Was that the Australian? Cause this sounds like Felix, and the other one had that accent. Yo, did I find him? Hold on.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Keep on talking, we don't play.
Ooh, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Like, bro, that's the most Australian accent if I ever heard one, bro. He has the orange hair. Orange hair is Australian. Am I right? I hope I'm right. bro. Alright, let's continue.
이거 저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick 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 I don't ban you 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이
what the
조차도 따라오지 못해 여기는 팬
Boy had his eyes covered in sad. That's tough. I feel with that. And then bro said ooh Fuck that. I like this part. This little vocal part. I like it. It's mysterious, building up. What the fuck was that, dude? I just got faked out. Bro, Shake Kids always fake me out with this, man. They fake me out every single time. I think it's always the second drop. They convince me with the first drop, and when they try to drop the second time, they just pull out something right out the ad, like, bro, something new. Bro, they laughed with their hands. They said, ha ha ha. Like, bro, what the fuck? Okay, we're gonna replay that. Yo, I don't know whose man this is, bro. The way he looked at me, bro, he said, I'm not doing that face, bro. He said, fucking, yo, the ladies must love that man for sure, man. Yeah, that's Australia, bro. I know Australia. And that's Felix.
날이면 날마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해 Final warning 당장 back up press up center break up 하나라 내 뱉지 퇴 소리꾼
Okay, I didn't get faked out this time, right? Ooh, that was clean.
Sorry, dirty
What the fuck? They on each other. Oh, I see Felix. Yes, he's tough. I'm making it right now. Felix is my favorite member out of Stray Kids. And Orange Hair is definitely the Australian kid, bro. He's definitely the second Australian, the second Aussie out there, man. On the rules, alright, man. On the rules, I give it a good 9 out of 10. That shit was hard. That shit was tough. They had the vocals, they had the choreography, they had the visuals, they had the rap, they had everything. The dancing was on point, bro. Like it was, I really enjoyed this one. For Megaverse, when it comes to an actual song, I feel like Thunderous will be more like like you can actually listen to it, because you can actually like sing along. You can't really sing along, you don't know the lyrics, because I don't know Korean and shit, but it's more like that and Maniac compared to Megaverse. It's like two against one type of deal, because Megaverse is more like a hard beat. Like it's for you to actually watch music video or watch it while listening to it. While Thunderous, you can like put it on like your like Spotify playlist or something. You can just listen to it. But yeah, good 9 out of 10. Maniac, Thunderous, Megaverse on top when it comes to ratings. Really enjoyed this. Stray Kids are by far the best band I've heard, K-pop band I've heard. If you have any other band suggestions, put it down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the content right here. Any other songs or any other bands you want me to react to, put them down in the comments down below. See you guys in the next one, and peace out.